the video, we will talk about meal ideas that are enough for a week, containing protein and the rest of the nutrients that the body needs. We talked in the previous videos that in order to prepare meals to build muscle, we must take care of protein while maintaining the carbohydrates and vitamins that the body needs. And in order to achieve this, many of us think that meals will be expensive and taste not delicious, and this is not true. In this video, we will prepare meals with 1.5 kilos of chicken and our favorite vegetables. Let's start. Now we are preparing 4 recipes for 1 kilo of boneless chicken breasts. Ingredients: 1 kilo of boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon salt, black pepper, cumin, and paprika, 2 tablespoons mustard and barbecue, 1 chopped zucchini, 100-gram peas and carrots, 1 shredded carrot, 1 shredded potato, 1 shredded zucchini, 1 minced red onion and garlic. Ingredients are available in the description box. First, we season the chicken, add onions, garlic, spices, mustard, and barbecue, then leave it for half an hour in the refrigerator. Heat a pot over medium heat. Note that I cut the chicken in longitudinal lines so that the chicken is better. Leave it for 5 minutes on each side. Add olive oil. After 10 minutes, we will divide the bowl into 2 parts to add the vegetables. We will add half a cup of water to the vegetables and sprinkle with salt and pepper and leave it for 5 minutes until it is fully cooked. Let's prepare the rest of the recipes with 1/2 kilo of chicken, boned and cut into cubes. Ingredients are available in the description box. We will season the chicken in the same way that we seasoned the previous chicken. Heat a pot over medium heat, then add the chicken, stir well and add olive oil. Divide the bowl into 2 parts to add vegetables, one with red, yellow, and green peppers, and the other with diced potatoes, peas, and carrots. We will add half a cup of water and leave them for another 10 minutes until they are fully cooked. After 5 minutes, we will stir half of the chicken with pepper and the other half with potatoes, carrots, and peas. Let's serve meals. With this, we have finished our delicious recipes that we can prepare on our day off to follow our diet to build muscle in a healthy way and eat foods that benefit our bodies. We'll finish today and the next video. We will talk about examples of the best exercises that can be followed in order to build muscle. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel button, press the bell to receive all news,